Are you ready to see Apple completely dominate your living room? For years, the Apple TV has been the quiet, somewhat neglected child of the Apple ecosystem. A sleek black box that streams Netflix and YouTube beautifully, but leaves many of us asking, is that it? Well, if the latest leaks and insider reports are accurate, 2026 is the year everything changes. Apple isn't just tweaking the Apple TV 4K, they are weaponizing it. We are talking about a massive leap in processing power. The integration of Apple Intelligence, console-level gaming, and a shockingly aggressive new price point that has Roku and Amazon shaking in their boots. Welcome back to TechVibe, your #1 source for the most exclusive tech leaks and deep dives. If you want to stay ahead of the curve on everything Apple, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we are tearing into the upcoming 2026 Apple TV 4K, and trust me, by the end of this video, you will be questioning whether your current streaming box belongs in the trash. Let's start with the absolute biggest game changer, the brain inside the box. Since 2022, the Apple TV 4K has been coasting on the A15 Bionic chip. It's fast enough for streaming, but in 2026, fast enough just doesn't cut it. According to heavy-hitting industry insiders, Apple is preparing to drop the A17 Pro chip, or potentially even an A18 variant, into the new Apple TV. Why does a streaming box need the same silicon that powers the iPhone 15 Pro? 2 words: Apple Intelligence. Apple's rollout of generative AI has been taking over the iPhone and Mac, but the living room has been completely left in the dark. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is set to change that entirely. With the neural engine power of the A17 Pro, Siri on the Apple TV will finally stop being a frustrating voice command gimmick and transform into an actual intelligent assistant. Imagine asking your TV to find that one specific movie where a team of thieves robs a dream, and Siri actually understands the context, cross-references all your streaming apps, and pulls it up instantly. Apple Intelligence will curate your watch list dynamically, understand complex multi-part voice commands, and personalize your home screen based on who is holding the remote. But the A17 Pro chip isn't just about making Siri smarter. Apple has a massive Trojan horse strategy here, and it involves the gaming industry. For years, Apple has flirted with making the Apple TV a legitimate gaming console. With the 2026 model, they might finally pull it off. The A17 Pro brings hardware-accelerated ray tracing and massive GPU upgrades to the table. We have already seen huge AA games like Resident Evil 4 and Death Stranding running natively on the iPhone. Now imagine playing those exact same console-quality titles on your big-screen OLED TV without needing a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox. By pairing the new Apple TV 4K with a standard wireless controller, Apple is positioning this device as a casual yet incredibly powerful gaming hub. They are going after the millions of people who want a premium gaming experience without dropping $500 on a dedicated console. Now, let's talk about your smart home, because this is where Apple's master plan really starts to take shape. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is rumored to be the ultimate centralized brain of your entire house. Right now, the smart home market is incredibly fragmented, but Apple is pushing hard into the Matter and Thread protocols to unify everything. Leaks suggest that the new Apple TV will feature a custom-designed Apple Silicon chip specifically for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. We are expecting full Wi-Fi 6E or even Wi-Fi 7 support, ensuring zero lag, zero buffering, and an incredibly robust connection for high bitrate 4K HDR content. This upgraded connectivity is crucial because Apple is heavily expanding its smart home footprint. Rumors indicate that alongside the new Apple TV, we will see updated HomePod minis and potentially even a brand new smart home security camera from Apple. The Apple TV will act as the hyper-fast, localized hub processing all of this data securely on-device. This means your smart cameras can utilize Apple Intelligence to recognize exactly who is at the front door, alert you through the TV interface, and even pull up a picture-in-picture live feed without interrupting the movie you are watching. This deep, seamless ecosystem integration is exactly what makes Apple so sticky, and the 2026 Apple TV is the anchor holding it all together. Of course, we cannot discuss the Apple TV without talking about the remote. The Siri remote has had a controversial history, from the fragile glass touchpads of the past to the much-improved aluminum design we have today. For the 2026 refresh, we expect Apple to refine the remote even further. While the overall aluminum chassis of the remote will likely stay the same, rumors suggest deep integration with the Find My network. If you lose your remote in the couch cushions, you will finally be able to use your iPhone's precision finding feature with ultra-wideband technology to track it down to the exact inch, just like an AirTag. There are also whispers of a slightly updated button layout and potential new materials to improve grip. As for the main Apple TV box itself, do not expect a radical redesign. Apple loves the minimalist, stealthy black puck design. It disappears into your entertainment center, and they have no reason to change that. But here is the absolute most shocking rumor of them all. And if this turns out to be true, the entire streaming hardware market is going to be flipped upside down. Top Apple analysts have reported that Apple is aggressively looking to lower the barrier to entry for the Apple TV. Historically, the Apple TV has been a premium product, often costing 2 to 3 times more than a standard streaming stick. But the 2026 model might hit a brand new sweet spot price of under $100. Let that sink in for a second. An Apple TV 4K, powered by an A17 Pro chip, fully capable of console gaming, acting as an advanced smart home hub, and running Apple Intelligence for under $99. If Apple manages to pull this off, they will completely annihilate the competition. For years, people have opted for cheaper streaming sticks simply because the Apple TV felt overpriced for what it did. But at a sub-$100 price tag, it becomes an absolute no-brainer impulse buy for anyone who owns an iPhone. Apple knows that the real money is not in the hardware margins of the Apple TV itself. It isn't getting you hooked on Apple TV Plus, Apple Arcade, Apple Fitness Plus, and iCloud. By making the hardware insanely affordable, they are setting a massive trap to lock millions of new users into their services ecosystem. So, when can we expect to actually get our hands on this absolute beast of a machine? The current timeline points directly to the fall of 2026. Apple usually loves to group their smart home and audio announcements around their September or October events, right alongside the new iPhones. We are expecting a massive rollout featuring the new Apple TV 4K, an updated HomePod Mini, and possibly even the reveal of their long-rumored Smart Display Hub. It is going to be a massive season for Apple fans, and the living room is clearly the main battlefield. Are you currently using an older Apple TV? Or have you been holding out with a basic streaming stick or built-in smart TV interface? If Apple really drops the price below $100 and adds native console gaming, is that finally enough to make you upgrade? I want to hear your thoughts. So drop a comment down below and let us get a discussion going. Thank you so much for tuning in to TechVibe. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay completely updated on all the latest tech leaks and rumors, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend who is absolutely obsessed with their smart home setup. We have a ton of exciting and exclusive content coming your way very soon, so keep your eyes peeled. Until next time, keep living that tech vibe, and I will see you in the next video.